Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Swiss franc USD CHF for 22nd March 2021. So this analysis is for 22nd March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that the last traded price is 0.9281. Okay, this is the last traded price of the market, and we knew it very well that market was in uptrend and there was good opportunity, okay, in market to make money. Hopefully you'll have made money, and right now it seems that the party is almost over, because after the beautiful uptrend, okay, from this point onwards we can see that market is in a range right now. Okay, you can see that there is not much volatility in the market is kind of taking rest. Okay, so you can see I have drawn three lines on the chart here. Okay, this is the line number one, most important. Okay, this is the resistance for the market, 9323. Okay, and this is the line number two, the support of the market. Okay, 0.9211. Okay, so just wait and watch the market. If you see that market is trading here, okay, market bounces back or market is in this range, then you do not need to trade. Okay, this is the no trading zone. In case market crosses this level also, then also we will not short the market, because overall the trend of the market is up. Okay, therefore it will not be wise to go against the trend. Okay, and yes, you can go against the trend if you have got some good experience, then you can go for counter trade, or but if you are a beginner, then I'll not be recommending you to trade against the trend. Okay, therefore as the trend of the market was towards the upside, therefore if market crosses this level also, I'll tell you to stay away from the market at least for one day. Okay, but as long as the market is trading between this range, okay, 9211 and 9323 level, this range, you do not need to trade. In case market crosses this level, 9323 level, okay, and you see that yes, there is a good volume also, okay, then you can go ahead and buy above this line for a small profit of this 9373, this R2. Okay, but if you are looking for a better trade, or if you're looking for a better opportunity, then I'll tell you that this is not the position for you. Okay, because right now market, the volatility is very less. Okay, it is very hard to make money in a non-volatile market. Okay, so you should be staying away from this type of market whenever market is in this range. Okay, just stay away from the market as long as market is trading in this range. Okay, just wait for the market to either cross this level or this level. If market crosses this level, 9373 level tomorrow, okay, then wait for 2-3 hours and just see how the price is doing above the level. If you see that yes, price is trading comfortably above the resistance, second resistance, and then it will be the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support now, and then you can go ahead and buy above this line. Okay, and if market reverses from here, then also do not need to trade. This is your no trading zone. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level also, just stay away from the market for tomorrow. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with the analysis, so I'll tell you what you need to do next. Okay, so avoid USD CHF as long as it is trading in this range. Okay, so this is the simple analysis. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and good luck. See you tomorrow again, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.